Do you have painful hemorrhoids? Why suffer in pain any longer? The Hemorrhoids Made Easy with Fresh Hemorrhoids Cure ebook contains the keys to remove your hemorrhoids quickly, easily, and permanently. It's an in-depth, step-by-step guide written by an expert who has suffered from different types of hemorrhoids for over 40 years. Through desperation and his pharmaceutical background, he became obsessed with finding a permanent cure for his hemorrhoids. And he did! It's a simple, straightforward, and easy system that will stop bleeding hemorrhoids, shrink hemorrhoids, and prevent hemorrhoid symptoms from returning. Save yourself from further pain and aggravation, wasting time researching and throwing money down the toilet. This ebook can help you find true relief, improve your self-esteem, and get back to your normal, hemorrhoid-free lifestyle. Take your first step toward hemorrhoid freedom. Read Hemorrhoids Made Easy with Fresh Hemorrhoids Cure today.